Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi. In this channel, I share with you eggless baking recipes. Today we are diving into the world famous affogato paired with our homemade eggless vanilla ice cream. Let's begin. There's something magical about the scent of morning coffee, isn't there? It awakens your senses, bringing a moment of calm and joy. Let's start with our eggless vanilla ice cream. Begin by whipping 35 grams of cream until it reaches a soft peak stage. Add 12 grams of condensed milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste or extract. This I am making for a single serve affogato. You can find the recipe for large portion in the description box below. Mix thoroughly and pour the mixture into the freezer safe container to set overnight. By morning, your scoop of creamy goodness will be ready to complement your freshly brewed coffee. See, our homemade ice cream has set beautifully. Now prepare your glasses or cup. Scoop the ice cream into it, creating a well in the center for the coffee. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification whenever I share a new recipe. Now let's brew some coffee. I have 8 grams of ground coffee beans in my portafilter, but feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste. Alternatively, you can use 2 grams of instant coffee mixed with 40 milliliters of hot water. And there you have it. Our affogato with homemade eggless vanilla ice cream is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.